What you're looking at is a couple of cinch-bound little notebooks that I made with the rest of my paper, the ephemera and stickers from my Life is Abundant collection. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and you may know that I like to finish up one set of papers once I've broken into it before I move on to another. I just finished making, I guess it's a planner, and there's a video on it. It's what I'm going to be using this year to record my crafty goals, my videos, and I'll add in pictures. If you want, go take a look at it because there's a couple of pictures of me and things I've been doing this month. But anyhow, I had some papers left over and I made these cute little books. Now, in the past, I've used index cards to make the papers. This time I used mini composition notebooks for the papers inside. There's probably about one notebook's worth of lined paper in each of these books. They are about 3 inches by 4 inches, a little bit bigger, and you have pockets, you have tuck spots, lots of different things in all of them. Like I said, I was just using everything I had left. So there's a tuck spot. I needed to put something in there. You may also recognize paper from Nature Notebook from Graphic 45 as well. I have some cardstock. Oh, I think that paper is from Little Things collection. I actually just went through my stash of papers and just used what would fit. Anything that was a little bit bigger than 3 by 4, I cut down. So here's a cute little belly band. And you know, Life is Abundant has all of these little quotes in it for each of the months. I thought it was special to take those quotes out and add into the pockets or into a spot that you might just peek in on it and check it out and see, you know, what's going on. Maybe it'll inspire you for the month. I fussy cut this owl and I didn't use it where I thought I was going to, so it made it into the little book. I'd love the cover with that mushroom on it. Here's a little tuck spot. There was little border strips of quotes also with the Life is Abundant collection, and I'm sorry that I'm off screen. But lots of different little things that went into that collection, and these are things that were left over. So like I said, I just made these books. I just made piles of what I had, added them together, and then made the holes in the pages, and then used my cinch binding machine to put it all together. So all told, there's probably 70, 75 pages in each book. I've already sent one out to a special Etsy customer, but I probably will include these in Etsy orders coming up. Other ones I've put in my Etsy shop, but these are going to be freebies for the next 5 customers. So there's one of those quote sheets. I just glued it on each side. I had a lot of these quote sheets left, so they're 12 inches long for the most part. Some are smaller, some are larger. I used so many, but I can't believe I still have some. So I'm going to hang on to these for a little bit. I thought maybe I could just put them all together and make a bookmark, and then I'll just take them and put them in the free little libraries for people to have with their books. So that is what I have today. I am using the rest of the Life is Abundant 12 by 12 paper, and I'm happy to say I smashed it. So thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.